nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
I hit him up and fuck color money, purple yin and blue.
Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. In a bottle, I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric.
Run.
What are you doing? This came loose. What came loose? This.
You have the coronavirus. Jesus.
No, I'm not doing it. No. No, fuck you. Just because you put the song on doesn't... Just a small town girl!
This is not just a dog. This is my best friend. Always by my side. Always faithful. Can't imagine life without my dog.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree?
God, you're so fast. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Hi, buddy. What?
You get nervous?
Oh yeah, every time.
Isn't it your dog?
Run, Johnny, run! Run, fast! No, no. Oh, shit. Get him, Moose. Oh, God. Get him, Moose.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful.
You're a big guy.
For you.
Did you know that dogs have a best friend? Dogs usually have one person in their life that is their favorite, that they look to for guidance, to care for them, to play with them, and to give them affection. You can tell if you are your dog's favorite person, if they're always watching you, looking for you, or following you. If they're able to relax near you, enjoy cuddling you or your stuff, and love to initiate playtime with you. Chances are you are your dog's best friend.
Hold me closer, tiny dance. Hold me closer, just hold me closer. Count the headlights on.
I'll be riding shotgun under.
Now look at this.
I want to know who sees my TikToks. So if you see this, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know where you're from.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree?
Time to get back in the car, bud.
Be sexy, not stupid. Hey, you see that truck? What you got? Where's it at? Is it in there? Are you too big to get in? Oh, get your big butt up there. So that's your alert? Here. Big ass animal. She's like, I can't get back.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to
Things in my police car that just make sense. Door pop button. I can push that button anytime I want the dog to get out of the car automatically. The door comes open, he comes out and helps me fight or chases anybody running away. We train when the door opens, it's time to bite. So anytime that door pops open automatically, he knows it's showtime and he bites whoever ain't dressed like me. Well, that's not true. But it is usually the bad guy though. Yes, he's bitten me before. And it don't tickle. This is how it works.
Oh, I forgot it was in there. I forgot it was in there.
4 degrees.
Yep. Gotta fix that. Cracked. Hey, buddy. Let's go. Brush water. Not slip. I'm talking to me, not you. Whoa, I almost lost it. Hold up. Good boy. There you go. Fresh aqua. Oh, put the collar on your Nike.
Fair enough. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. I'm a little lost, but fair enough.
You know, like, I have no fucking clue what you just said, but hell yeah, man, I'm gonna speak my truth.
But fair enough. That's the tat. Fair enough.
Fair enough, yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah, there you go. Fair enough.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Listen, you can't pee on people after you track them down. It's just unacceptable behavior. And that's why you found yourself in the captain's office yet again. K9 Maxie, what do you have to say for yourself?
This is how we wake up the most dangerous animal at the hospital. Just by standing near the cage for too long, she'll smell the scent of flesh and wake up. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I gotta be really careful right now because she's getting up super quick and she could literally rip my arm off with one bite. Holy shit, guys, I gotta go. If I don't make it...
Fuck you, bitch. You broke my heart. Fuck your friends.
Rich 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type. That's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. I'ma ride it all night. Rich 8.
Caution, aggressive police doggo. No regrets.
Oh, hey, buddy. What are you doing? Oh, I definitely don't regret this. How cute are you?